So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove lashes using the banana peel method. And as we can see here in the visual, it's pretty much, you're grabbing the natural lash and the artificial lash, and you're just kind of peeling them apart. I'm going to move down here to the camera, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in person. And I've picked out a lash here that I would like to try to show you guys how to remove using the banana peel method. I'm going to use this lash for example, and I'm going to show you how to remove this using the banana peel method. All right, so we have the lash here that we're going to be working on, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to pull it forward so that I can see that little piece of hair, her natural lash on the back. So you guys can see that little piece of natural lash right there. So what we're going to do in the banana peel method is we are actually going to, I'll see if I can pull this forward so you guys can see. We are going to take the natural lash, so I'm holding the back of her natural lash here, so you guys can see that. And I'm just simply going to use the natural lash and the artificial lash, and I'm going to peel it apart. So you can see the artificial lash comes off, and her natural lash is right back here without the lash on it. So it's just a simple peel forward and peel it apart.